Creating hot work permits inside of TK Pro is just as easy as any other module inside the application. We'll hover over our hot work permit icon and select Create Hot Work Permit. Now that we're on the Create screen, we can use TK Pro's Super Search to find our piece of equipment as soon as we begin typing. After we've identified our equipment and entered our task, we can then click the Create button in the bottom right of the screen. Now here's where things may vary, as TK Pro is as flexible as you want it to be. Just like the lockout, tagout, confined space, or any of the available modules in TK Pro, we can build out your existing hot work permit process to be used within the application, or you can utilize one of our pre-built suites. Each of these tabs and the information contained within will be based on the process decided upon by your company. After we've filled out all of our pertinent information, we can then issue this permit and print out our documentation. What you see on the screen here is an example of a hot work permit using the information we just filled out in this scenario. All that information, and it took less than 2 minutes. Why handwrite any permits when you can use TK Pro and be ready to go?